Guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 11th arithmetic progression, different models types in finding arithmetic progression. That is, we are discussing now type 8, that is applications of AP. Continuation, guys. So this is fifth question. A man employed to count rupees 10,710. He counts at the rate of rupees 180 per minute for half an hour. After this, he counts at the rate of 3 rupees less every minute than the preceding minute. Find the time taken by him to count the entire amount. I will repeat. A man employed to count rupees 10,710. He counts at the rate of rupees 180 per minute for half an hour. After this, he counts at the rate of 3 rupees less for every minute than the preceding minute. Find the time taken by him to count the entire amount. First, student, what is given in the question? Given that amount to be counted is rupees 10,710. Man counts rupees 180 per minute for 30 minutes. Therefore, amount counted in 30 minutes is 30 into 180, that is 5,400 rupees. Take it as the first one as equation 1, this is the equation 2. Therefore, we need to find the time taken to count entire amount. Time taken to count entire amount. Amount to be counted equal to 1 minus 2, that equal to 10,710 minus 5,400, that equal to 5,310 rupees. Given that after half an hour, rupees 3 gets less for every minute than the preceding minute, right? Therefore, it forms 180 minus 3, 170, we get 177, minus 3 we get 174, so on, except the first one. So we get the series, right? 177, 174, 171, so on, plus 3. Okay, this forms a AP series because the common difference is same, right? Therefore, I have mentioned here what is A1, what is A2, what is common difference. So here last term, sum of n times Sn equal to 5310, guys. We don't know n value here. So using Sn formula, find the value of n. Therefore, 5310 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 177 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Substitute the values and simplify. We get as a quadratic equation form 3n square minus 357n plus 10,620. Taking 3 common, we get n square minus 11n plus 3540. Okay, we get a factors of 3540. Middle term 119 is 59n minus 60n. Simplify, we get n minus 59, n minus 60 equal to 0. Equating to 0, we get n equal to 59, n equal to 60. Therefore, we get two values, guys. Therefore, the time taken to count entire amount is 30 minutes already given, plus 59 is 89 minutes, and 30 plus 60 is 90 minutes. So, both are correct. So, therefore, the total time taken for counting entire amount is 90 minutes, guys. I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. For any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.